Alright, here's another example. Now we're going to use cosine. How do I know we're going to use cosine? Well, this is the angle we're going to use. Alright, if we do the sine cosine tangent of an angle when solving for a right triangle, we never do it of 90. So you got to pick one of the acute angles. Alright, so you could use 50. You could also use 40. It does not matter, but decide which one you're going to use, because after you pick which angle you're going to use, then everything else matters from there. Alright, so we're going to use 50 degrees. Alright, so since we're given the adjacent leg, we know that the adjacent leg is 16, and we're looking for the hypotenuse. Alright, but the opposite leg, oops, I have to do that in a different color. Red means stop. The opposite leg, we don't know it and we're not looking for it, so we're not going to use the opposite leg. Therefore, we're going to use cosine because of so, ka, toa. Cosine is ka. That's when you do the adjacent leg divided by the hypotenuse. Alright, so now you have the cosine of 50 is equal to 16 over x. Alright, then you could type on your calculator and figure out what the cosine of 50 is. Now to save time, I just did that on my handheld calculator and saw that it was also 0.6428. So that's what the cosine of 50 equals. So we'll set that equal to 16 over x. And then when we cross multiply, we get x times 0.6428 is equal to 16. So then we can just divide both sides by 0.6428. And we find that side length is going to be 16 divided by 0.6428. And that comes out to 24.9 if we round up there. Alright, and that makes sense in a way because it's a hypotenuse, so it should be the biggest side. It's across from 90, it's across from the biggest angle. So in that regards, it looks like that our answer is correct.